Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the expansion of PriceSmart in Jamaica. Now we are giving you a tour of the PriceSmart location in Kingston. So PriceSmart is the largest wholesale club in Jamaica. And they have two locations, one on Red Hills Road and one in Portmore. But they plan to open a third one in Montego Bay. They operate a bakery in Montego Bay, but they're going to open a wholesale club in Montego Bay now. So as you know, the Jamaican economy is doing very well. A lot of expansion, a lot of construction, and PriceSmart is seeing above average returns from its Jamaica locations when compared to other countries in the Caribbean. So they have decided to open a third store in Montego Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. PriceSmart, a multinational membership wholesale club, has been steadily expanding its operations in Jamaica, signaling confidence in the country's economic potential. The recent approvals from the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) for a food processing facility in St. Andrew and a commercial development in St. James mark a significant step in its growth strategy. These developments are expected to have far-reaching impacts on the retail sector, local businesses, employment, and Jamaica's overall economy. PriceSmart's decision to build a food processing facility at 1 East Ashenham Road, St. Andrew, aligned with its broader logistics strategy. This move follows its 20-year lease agreement with Kingston Wharves Limited in 2023, which gives the company expanded logistical capabilities. By investing in food processing, PriceSmart is likely aiming to reduce dependency on imports, improve supply chain efficiency, and enhance its private label brand, Members Selection. This could result in lower costs for consumers and greater profitability for the company. Additionally, the planned commercial development in Ironshore St. James could be a precursor to a third PriceSmart location in Jamaica. Currently, PriceSmart operates full warehouse stores in Red Hills Road, St. Andrew, and Brayton Parkway, Portmore, alongside a bakery store in Montego Bay. Expanding into the tourism-heavy Montego Bay region could increase its market share and attract both locals and visitors seeking bulk shopping options. However, the project is still awaiting a Ministry of Health decision regarding planning permission, which could delay its implementation. The establishment of a food processing facility is expected to create new jobs in manufacturing, logistics, and retail. This expansion could provide opportunities for local farmers and suppliers, as PriceSmart may seek to source more ingredients locally for its products. By investing in production rather than relying solely on imports, the company could contribute to Jamaica's goal of strengthening domestic industries. PriceSmart's expansion in Jamaica, marked by its new food processing facility and commercial developments in St. James, reflects the company's long-term commitment to the market. These projects are expected to boost employment, improve supply chain efficiencies, and potentially lower costs for consumers. However, the company must navigate regulatory approvals and local competition to ensure successful implementation. Overall, PriceSmart's growth underscores Jamaica's attractiveness as a retail and logistics hub, reinforcing its role in the region's economic landscape. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.